In this video, I'm going to share with you our top 5 RV Reflectix projects, and we're starting right now. Hi YouTube, and welcome back to another video. My name is Aaron with 3tailsrv.com. If this is your first time here, you should consider subscribing because we are dedicated to helping you with your RV. We provide you with RV accessory reviews, DIY projects, tips, tricks, and other creative stuff. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on anything. And with that out of the way, let's get started with today's topic. Reflectix might be one of the best innovations for life on the road. Not only can this material be used in various camping capacities, but it's affordable and can be easily replaced when necessary. The Reflectix qualities combined with the insulation value will help you to maintain the desired temperature in your RV year-round. In the summer, it will keep things cooler, reducing the load on your air conditioner and generator, making you more comfortable. In the winter, it will retain heat, conserve propane, and keep you cozy. Reflectix is readily available in different sizes and lengths at most big box home improvement stores, or you can order it online from Amazon. We have used this option in our RV for many years and are very satisfied with the results. And today, we are going to share with you a few projects that we have used in our own RV. Make sure you watch this video until the end because we have a bonus tip just for you. The one place that seems to get overlooked by the manufacturers in the RV industry is the interior cabinet spaces. A simple and effective way to fix this is by adding a sheet of this insulation to the outside wall of the cabinets. This will help to eliminate pockets of air that allow moisture to build up within them. Another quick and easy RV Reflectix project is the RV vent covers. The vent cover fits over the RV vent openings in your RV, providing you with improved heating and cooling efficiency and to help block damaging sunlight. We added Velcro to both surfaces for quick installation and removal. Our next project was to add some well-needed insulation in our storage compartment doors. This project will help to stop the transfer of cold or heat into your RV living spaces via these compartments. And now on with one of our favorite Reflectix projects, the RV Slide Blanket. RV slides are metal boxes that extend away from your RV and has little to no insulation on the exposed surfaces. We constructed this RV Slide Blanket that wraps around the top and the sides of our RV slide. This has been a simple and effective way of keeping our RV warmer. And finally, one of the worst areas in your RV is the windshield and side windows. These big windows in our RV let us enjoy the great outdoors, but they are also allow the heat and cold to transfer through them. These covers also provide privacy while on the road. And here's the bonus tip for making your DIY Reflectix projects look more professional. Simply add a UV protected tarp over your project. We chose to use a white tarp because it better matched the colors of our RV. Simply cut the tarp 1 inch wider than the size of your Reflectix project, fold the tarp over the edge, and tape them to the backside of your project with UV protected white duct tape. Then reinstall. And now for the question of the day. What are some other RV Reflectix projects for RV living? Let us know in the comment section below. Because some of the coolest ideas and discoveries come from you, the RV viewer. So definitely connect with others in the comment section below. Lori and I would like to thank you for following along with us today, and if you know someone that would benefit from watching this video, go ahead and share this video with them. And if you haven't, head over to 3tailsrv.com where you will find more posts and projects over there. Until next time, remember, live simple, live free, and enjoy the ride. And we will see you on our next video.